So today we'll complete those questions about similar triangles. See now, we had done question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium. With AB parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O, so that AO by BO, CO by DO. Okay, now look at here. Trapezium is like this. If it is AB parallel to DC, these two are parallel. Diagonals intersect each other at O. You want to prove AO by BO equals to CO by DO. Okay, how to prove? Look here. Given AB parallel to DC, to prove AO by BO, CO by DO. CO by DO. AO, अच्छा, what you do is construction you have to do. Draw OX parallel to DC. I have drawn this is parallel here. Once it is parallel to this, also this will be parallel to this. Why? Now because AB is parallel to DC. So now you take ABC triangle. In ABC triangle, XO is parallel to DC. XO parallel to DC. Formula AX by XD equals to AO by OC. Which triangle I took? I took which triangle? I got AX by XD equals to AO by OC. Okay. Now you look at again. This is parallel to AB. So write down also XO parallel to AB. XO parallel to AB. So which triangle I will take? I will take AXB triangle. AXB triangle. In. So same formula. What I will get? Now I will get ax by, look at here. This is easy to understand in this way if you go. Look this way. ये इसको पैरेलल है ना, you can take dx by ax, dx by ax, look dx by ax, do by ob, do by ob. अच्छा look, you need ax by xd, मैंने इसको उल्टा करो. उल्टा means implies x by xd reciprocal, ob by od, do od same. This is equation number 2. Now look, ax by xd, ob by od, ax by xd, ao by ac. With these two are equal, so these two also will be equal. So comparing 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, you will get what? You will get OB by OD, OB by OD equals to OA or AO same thing, OA by OC. But you want to prove OA by OB, ये दोनों को interchange करो. These two interchange. This will come here, this will go there. So interchanging, what you will get? When this comes here, that will be OC by OD. When this goes down, OA by OB. Proof. This is what I want to prove. Now you have to remember half this parallel line you have to draw. Okay. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. Means just reverse. Intersects each other at the point O, such that AO by BO equals to CO by DO. Prove that so that ABCD is a trapezium. So that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium means you have to prove AB is parallel to this. So to prove AB is parallel to BC. अच्छा, this is also given. Intersect each other to. Okay. Now what I'll do is I take a line. I draw XO parallel to DC. We don't know whether these two are parallel or not, but I can draw XO is parallel to DC. So construction draw XO parallel to DC. Okay. Now in ADC triangle, look, in ADC triangle, XO parallel to DC. Okay. Then implies AX by XD. AX by XD equals to AO by OC. Because I have drawn parallel, so this by this will be called to this by this. So what is given to us? AO by BO, CO by DO. This is given. This is given or not? Now you can interchange it. So you can write interchanging you will get AO, CO will come here. AO by CO, this will go here. BO by DO. 2. Look, AX by XD, AO by OC, AO by OC, BO by DO, that means these two are equal. So these two will be equal. So taking 1 and 2, you will get AX by XD equals to BO by DO. 3. Okay. Now look at here. AX by XD equals to BO by 4D. Now you can write here in ADB triangle. ADB triangle, if AX by XD equals to BO by OD. BO by OD. Then what did you get? These two will be parallel. By converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, basic proportional theorem, you will get XO is parallel to AB. Achha. Now listen. You got here XO parallel to AB. Also, we have got XO parallel to BC. This is the constructed. This we have done construction. XO parallel AB, XO parallel DC implies AB is parallel to DC. अगर AB parallel to DC हो गया, implies ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. So all the examples are homework for you. Try to solve because exams comes in the exam. All the examples, everything you have to do are homework. Okay. Then we'll go to similar triangles now. What are the criteria for similar triangles? triangles ABC and DEF are similar. What is the symbol? Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. If their first point, this condition happens, then similar. If they are corresponding angles are equal. Try to see. So when you say corresponding angles are equal, you have to say A angle equals to D angle. You have to say B angle equals to E angle. You have to say C angle equals to F angle. If this angle is equal to this equals to, these are corresponding angles. This one equals to this, not corresponding. Corresponding this, B, E, C, F. If this happens, then you can say two triangles are similar. This is the first point. Second point, if they are corresponding sides are proportional. Means proportional when you write, if this condition happens also, it will be AB by corresponding AB का corresponding DE, BC का corresponding EF, AC का corresponding DF. This is second criteria. Third criteria, you see, two triangles are similar if any two corresponding sides are proportional, not B, any two, and the included angle, angles are equal. ये पॉइंट को ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. First it is telling any two sides are corresponding sides are proportional, means AB by DE, BC by EF, any two sides हो गया. Any two corresponding sides are proportional. AB by DE, BC by EF. अच्छा, included angle means which one? AB BC का included is B. B should be equal to DE EF का E. अगर ये कंडीशन भी है, then you can say two triangles are similar. These three criteria you have to remember. Now see the questions based on this. So go to exercise. pair of triangles are similar. Which pairs of triangles are similar? Write the similarity criteria. Write the similarity criteria. Okay, let's take the first one. Question number 1. We are given here. Look at the first part. This is ABC triangle. This is PQR triangle. We are given this is 60, this is 60, this is 80, this is also 80, this is 40, this is also 40. So, what criteria you are finding? Corresponding angles are equal. You can write A equals to B, B equals to Q, C equals to R. Equal. So you can write ABC triangle similar to PQR triangle. Criteria will be what? Angle, angle, angle. A. Angle criteria. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Let's see the second part of the question. Second part is given. Look at the format here. You are given A, B, C. You are given PQR. This is 2, 3, 2.5. This is 5, 6, 4. Look at ये सीधा लाइन को सीधा लाइन इज कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग, हाइपोटेन्यूज को हाइपोटेन्यूज इज कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग. यू कैन नॉट से दिस इज कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस वन. सिमिलर फॉर्मेट. ये वाला कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. दैट मीन्स ए बी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टू पी आर. ऐसा वाला कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. ये कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. मीन्स ए सी पी क्यू कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. बी सी क्यू आर कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. ऐसा. सो दिस format you have to remember. So how to know? What I can do is, if you get a confusion, then you write this is our ABC. इसको उल्टा करो. Turn that side. Turn means this will be PR. This Q will go that side. Q point will come here. Means it will be like this now. I have rotated that side. With this side I have rotated. This side has gone to that side. Okay. Now this is 2, 3, 2.5. This is 5. This is 4. This is 6. Now you say there, what is AB by PR? 2 by 5. What is BC by RQ? 2.5 by 4.0. 25 by 40. 5 5s are 5 8s are 5 by 8. Then 3 by 6. 3 by 6. SC by PQ. So you see this ratio is not equal. You can write AB ABC triangle not similar to DPQR triangle. Okay. Let's take third one. LMP जिसमें 2.732. Okay, look at diagonal, it is given DEF. But slide is given like this. So this is given 6, this is 4, this is 5. Now you say they are similar or not. You can say LM, now it is given corresponding form. What is LM by D? 2.7 by 4.0, 27 by 40. What is MP by EF? That is MP by EF 2 by 5. What is LP by DF? 3 by 6. So you can say LMP triangle not similar to DEF triangle. Okay. Next question. See this. Fourth one. This is NNL 70 2.55. Then this is PQR. This is 7510. Acha. What you do is, when you get a confusion, you try to make it corresponding. Means इसको ऐसा rotate करो. Because this is in the top. This you take as top. इसको ऐसा rotate करो. What you get? This will remain same. MNL 2.575. इसको rotate करने से Q will go here. Q will go here. P will come down. R will come here. So this will be 70. Which one is PQ is 5? PQ is 5. Then this will go this side. 10. Now you check whether they are equal or not. M angle equals to Q angle. Okay. Included angle and corresponding side. Corresponding means this by this should be equal to this by this. So MN by QR equals to ML by QR QP. Whether they are equal or not, check करो. 2.5 by 10. Okay. Then this is 5 by 5 not equal to 5 by 5. ये भी नहीं है. In a triangle not similar to QRP triangle. Okay, so there are some more questions. Of this you try to solve. Question number 2 will start tomorrow.